Performer, give it up for Matt.
Hello everybody. I don't know any Christmas songs, but this one's kind of inspired by snowboarding on a Bluebird day, so close enough. It's called Bluebird. Happy holidays, everyone.